You know how to make things come down right now.
Oh, go on, you want a piece of money?
Piece of money, you're mad. I want a piece of shit.
You need to get this in your head. Money walk and bullshit talk. Shut up.
However, she is pregnant and they're saying that they're not responsible for that. So that's what brings me here today.
Hold on, let me get this straight. She's 16.
Right.
Your son at 20, my big man. Come out of my house.
I can give you this for the start.
It's my birthday, you know, that's all. Said don't give me ends. But I want you and him do something, you know.
What?
This grape argument is not good enough. It not sound good noon tall. Remember, you come from a wealthy family.
Son at 20. My sister is 16 years old.
I said, me have this. Come here, man. Come here. Sit down back there, son. Come sit down, man. I said, me have this, you know.
So, Miss Sonia, I was thinking, what if we just walk away and just drop this? Nah. Me a come for you.